Some of these classic cars are one decision away from becoming valuable collectors. One has a legendary 428 V8. One is a real Impala Supersport. And one of these could be the cheapest way into classic car ownership right now. Let's take a closer look. Car number 1, 1964 Ford Continental. Price, $6,000. Location, Richmond Hill, New York. Mileage, 86,444 miles. Transmission, automatic. Engine, likely original Ford FE Series V8, typical engine for this model. Title, clean title. Ownership, 2 owners. Condition, running project with rest and interior needs. The 1964 Ford Continental is one of those cars that immediately makes you slow down and take notice. This was Ford's flagship luxury car during the mid-60s, and it was designed to compete directly with Cadillac and Lincoln's own premium lineup. The clean, slab-sided design still looks elegant today. This particular example runs, which already puts it ahead of many project cars in this price range. The seller confirms it's operational, but it needs interior restoration and rust repair. That's typical for a car that's now over 60 years old. The green exterior and matching green interior give it a very period-correct look, and cars with original color combinations like this often restore beautifully. Under the hood, these cars typically came with a 390 cubic inch V8, known for smooth torque and quiet cruising. This wasn't a performance car. It was built for effortless highway driving and comfort. The biggest strengths here are the clean title, low ownership history, and the fact that it runs. The rust and interior work will require time and investment, but the Continental is absolutely worth restoring. These cars have strong collector appeal, especially when brought back to original condition. This is the kind of car you restore slowly, enjoy on weekends, and appreciate more every year. Car number 2, 1966 Dodge Dart. Price, $2,500. Location, Colonial Heights, Virginia. Transmission, manual, 3-on-the-tree column shift. Engine, slant 6 inline 6. Title, clean title. Condition, solid body, non-running, needs restoration. The Dodge Dart is one of the most honest and dependable compact cars of the 1960s. It wasn't flashy, but it was reliable, simple, and affordable. And today, that simplicity makes it an excellent project candidate. This one has Chrysler's famous slant 6 engine, one of the most durable engines ever built. These engines are known to run forever with basic maintenance. The seller says the engine turns freely but doesn't start, likely due to carburetor issues from sitting. That's actually very common and usually fixable without major expense. The body and frame are described as solid, which is extremely important. Structural integrity is always the most expensive part to repair, and having a solid frame gives this car real potential. It does need floor pans, seats, rear bumper, and taillights. That sounds like a lot, but parts for the Dart are widely available and relatively affordable. The 3-on-the-tree column shift transmission adds a nostalgic driving experience you rarely see anymore. It connects you directly to the car in a way modern vehicles simply don't. For $2,500, this is a genuine entry-level project car with excellent potential. Car number 3, 1964 Pontiac Catalina. Price, $5,000. Location, LaGrangeville, New York. Condition, rolling project, excellent frame. Engine, no engine currently installed. Rear axle, factory 3.73 gears. Title, clean New York registration. The Pontiac Catalina was one of Pontiac's full-size performance-capable cars during the muscle car era. It had bold styling, strong engines, and a reputation for durability. This one is a project, but it has several major advantages. The frame is described as excellent, and that's critical. The car also already has a disc brake conversion, which is a major upgrade over original drum brakes. It previously had a big block Chevy installed, which tells you someone intended to build this into a serious performance car. That engine is no longer included, but the seller does have a rebuilt Pontiac 421 dual quad engine available separately. That's significant, because the 421 was one of Pontiac's most respected performance engines. The body is described as clean but needing restoration work. That's normal at this stage. These full-size Pontiacs have become increasingly collectible. They offer big car comfort with muscle car presence. This is a strong foundation for someone wanting to build a classic muscle car cruiser. Car number 4, 1965 Ford Ranchero. Price, $2,000. Location, Yorktown, Virginia. Mileage, 136,428 miles. Transmission, manual. Engine, straight 6. Title, clean title. Condition, non-running, full restoration project. The Ford Ranchero is one of the most unique vehicles of its time. It combines a car and a pickup into a practical, stylish package. This example is a true project. It doesn't run and has significant rust, but it still represents an opportunity. These Rancheros are becoming harder to find, especially complete and with a title. The inline-6 engine is simple and durable, and parts are easy to source. The manual transmission adds to its classic driving character. Restoring this car would require dedication. Rust repair, mechanical restoration, and interior work would all be part of the process. But when finished, the Ranchero stands out anywhere. It's different from the typical Mustang or Camaro, and that uniqueness is part of its appeal. This is a long-term project for someone who enjoys bringing something back from the edge. Car number 5, 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS. Price $4,000. Location Berwick, Pennsylvania. Transmission automatic power glide. Engine originally 327 V8, currently missing. Title clean Pennsylvania title. Condition project with upgraded suspension. The Impala SS is one of the most iconic Chevrolets ever built. The SS package added performance styling and upgraded features that made the car stand out. This particular car originally came with a 327 V8, one of Chevrolet's best small block engines. That engine is currently missing, but the car includes a PowerGlide automatic transmission and upgraded ride-tech suspension components. It also comes with an additional Power 24 frame, which is a major bonus. Having a restored frame already prepared can save significant time and cost during restoration. The body needs work, but the foundation is there. The Impala SS has strong collector demand, and restored examples are highly respected in the classic car world. This is a serious restoration candidate with real upside potential.
Car number 6, 1963 Ford Falcon. Price $1,800. Location Partlow, Virginia. Transmission automatic. Engine inline 6. Title no title. Condition mostly solid, partial running condition. The Ford Falcon was one of Ford's most practical compact cars of the early 1960s. It was simple, lightweight, and reliable. This car actually runs when fuel is supplied manually, which is very promising. The fuel tank needs cleaning or replacement, which is a common and manageable repair. The floors are described as solid with very little rust, which is excellent news. Rust repair is always the most difficult and expensive part of restoration. The seller has already replaced brake lines and wheel cylinders and includes a new master cylinder. This is the kind of project that could be made roadworthy without excessive cost. At $1,800, this is one of the most affordable entry points into classic car ownership. Car number 7, 1966 Austin Healey Sprite. Price $5,000. Location Gainesville, Virginia. Transmission manual. Engine inline 4, typical Sprite engine. Condition very clean, not currently running. The Austin Healey Sprite is one of the most fun and engaging small sports cars ever built. It's lightweight, simple, and extremely enjoyable to drive. This one has a brand new interior and appears very clean overall. The seller says it hasn't been driven since last year and isn't currently running, but there is only minor rust. These cars are mechanically simple and relatively easy to repair. When running, they offer a pure driving experience that modern cars can't match. This is a great candidate for someone wanting a classic British sports car. Car number 8, 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Custom. Price $7,500. Location Galloway Township, New Jersey. Condition running and driving custom built. Engine rear-mounted air-cooled flat 6. Transmission manual, typical configuration. This Corvair has been custom converted into an El Camino style pickup. The work appears professionally done and the car runs and drives well. Recent maintenance includes brake lines, seals, gaskets, and ignition upgrades. The Corvair's rear engine design makes it unique among American cars. This is a functional custom classic ready to enjoy immediately. Car number 9, 1969 Chevrolet Nova Drag Car. Price $5,000. Location Loganton, Pennsylvania. Transmission PowerGlide. Engine none. Title no title. Condition full drag chassis project. This Nova is a purpose-built drag racing chassis with serious hardware. It includes a roll cage, Ford 9-inch rear end, tubular suspension, and racing components. This is not a street car project, it's a race car foundation. For someone interested in drag racing, this is a strong starting point. Car number 10, 1967 Ford Thunderbird. Price $6,500. Location Everett, Massachusetts. Transmission automatic. Engine 428 cubic inch V8. Title clean title. Condition needs engine rebuild. The Thunderbird was Ford's personal luxury performance car. This one has the highly desirable 428 V8, which makes it especially valuable. The engine needs rebuilding, but the car has a clean title and complete drivetrain. These Thunderbirds offer comfort, performance, and strong collector interest. This is a worthwhile restoration candidate. Some of these cars need everything, some need just a push, and a few could turn into something truly special. If you enjoy finding classic cars like these, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. There's always another great project waiting to be discovered.